Congratulations, what can you say?
Super gulat ako when he revealed the answer talaga na super close ko kasi alam ko si Ellison, malaki yung improvement niya sa magsalita ng Tagalog, sa yung personality niya, sobrang change for the better. At hindi ko alam sino nanalo talaga. So naman, I was thinking, super close call, I can't express it, like sobrang caught in my throat of what I want to say kasi hindi ko talaga expect it. Pero obviously naman, I thought positive, I kept on striving for what I wanted, and I just thank God na it pulled off talaga. And I can't wait to share the happiness to my parents, can't wait to share the happiness with the people who supported me din, so dun po.
Is it your dream from before to enter showbiz?
Opo. Since I was 4 years old, I did mga competitions na. I was also looking for a manager then. Finally, when I was mga 15, 14, that's when I met my manager, and she gave me this opportunity to come here to the Philippines and try out to be magiging artista. So, yun po, yes, definitely it has been such a big dream in my life to become in showbiz.
What a coincidence, in 25 minutes or so, it's your birthday.
Yes. So, I want to thank God din kasi this is the most biggest present He has ever given me for my birthday na kasi sobrang hirap yung mga challenges sa Starstruck. Aga yung call time, sobrang hirap yung mga script. So obviously naman, just seeing from where I've come and finally it paying off, super relieved and happy ako. Kasi I want to thank God just talaga kasi He did not let me down today. Never has He ever let me down sa life.
What do you want to pursue in showbiz? You want to be a dramatic actor, a singer, a comedian? What?
Alam ko na I have to fix up yung Tagalog ko before I can go any further. Just so hindi ako having trouble with yung mga scripts. Pero definitely, very easy to learn yung mga Tagalog songs. So I think naman, whilst I'm trying to learn yung language, I'll do singing, dancing, lahat yung mga performances, performance number, production number. I'm up for that.
You grew up in Bacolod or?
Born in Bacolod po, pero lumalaki ako sa Australia.
Sa Australia?
Sa Sydney.
So, how do you plan to polish your Tagalog?
Well, me and my manager have been discussing na after Starstruck, kahit if meron akong free time talaga, Tagalog araw-araw. Kasi meron akong tutor sa Tagalog. Nag-aaral na ako. Pero since Starstruck started, wala akong time kasi tuloy-tuloy at araw-araw yung mga call times namin. So, yun po. After Starstruck is finished, which is today, I'm gonna be going back to yung mga Tagalog lessons ko. So then, finally, I can speak fluently, diretso, Tagalog.